At MLC College, our Phlebotomy Technician course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of blood collection techniques and patient care. You'll master essential skills such as venipuncture, finger pricks, and handling specialized equipment. Our curriculum emphasizes safety and infection control, ensuring you're well-versed in the latest healthcare standards. Choosing the Phlebotomy Technician course at MLC College means more than just gaining technical skills. Our hands-on training ensures you're confident with blood collection techniques, patient care, and safety protocols. You'll benefit from small class sizes, expert instructors, and access to state-of-the-art facilities. Plus, our recognized certification opens doors to a variety of career opportunities in hospitals, clinics, and labs. With flexible schedules and career support, MLC College helps you take the next step towards a rewarding healthcare career.
Hello, myself Harsh, and I enroll in MLC College for the medical phlebotomy workshop, and it's a one-day workshop, and I had very good experience, and the instructor is very good, and I learned each and every points, and the topics all are covered, and I had practical sessions as well, and it was very great experience because I learned all the things about the phlebotomy. And I would recommend everyone that if you want to pursue your career regarding this field, you should join the MLC College. Thank you so much.